Hey guys, it's Ryan, and today we're back for another 2022 first ride. This is the Gasgas MC250F. It's the third of three bikes in the Austrian lineup from KTM Group. A couple of differences about this bike from the KTM and Husqvarna are the silver wheels, the cast triple clamps, the aluminum handlebars, a non-vented side plate, the lack of a mapping switch, and a different clutch cover. So a couple of differences here. You're going to save about $700 on the Gasgas compared to a KTM. So that kind of leaves you some extra money to go racing or to put some mods on this, like an exhaust, wheels, bars, graphics, seat cover, things like that. Out on the track, the bike is very similar to the other two Austrian bikes. It's the same engine, the same frame, and the same suspension components. The difference here is the suspension is a lot softer on the Gasgas. It's definitely a lot more playful, a little more squishy, a little more divey. Definitely not set up for somebody who's an aggressive racer. I'd say somebody who is transitioning from a mini bike to a big bike, or somebody who likes to do a little more play riding, is going to enjoy this bike a little bit more. It was harder to push faster or carry a faster pace on the track because you do compress into the jumps a lot more than you do on the KTM or the Husqvarna. This bike is also stuck in basically map 1, which is the standard map. So if that's a big deal for you or you want to play with those maps, you do not have that option as a stock bike. I think it's about a $180 add-on for the Gasgas. A lot of people call it a red KTM. It's pretty close, but it's nice to have the option of 3 bikes, I think. Like I've done in the other videos, this bike, if you compare to General Motors, there's a Chevy, there's a GMC, there's a Cadillac. The Gasgas would be the Chevy of the group. It's the base model. You get a lot of the same technology as a KTM and a Husqvarna, but at a cheaper price point. So yeah, it definitely has its spot in the lineup. Hopefully you guys like these kinds of videos breaking down the new bikes for the 2022. Hopefully you can like, follow, and subscribe, and check out a couple more laps here at Kauai Creek. Thanks. See you guys.